So most of you have already ordered the swags and you want some changes like address update, t-shirt size update, and most of you have already ordered the swags in the novice and trooper tire and t-shirt is missing. Okay, as per the update, t-shirt will be added, but how will update the t-shirt size? Because they don't know your size, whether you are having XL size, L size or double XL size. So in this video, I'll talk about how you can get it updated. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video. Coming to the topic directly. So let me show you the format of the email. Okay, this is the format of the email. You have to message them, means mail them. Do not only I'll share you which email you have to mail. Depending on your milestone, if you are from novice and trooper, you have to mail to printer support team. If you are from ranger to legend tire, you have to mail to white square support team. And depending on your request, like if you want to update your delivery address, including mobile number, most of you have commented that by mistake I updated incorrect mobile number in alternate mobile number section. Also, there are some updates. For example, name error, email address error, contact number error, t-shirt size error, or hoodie size error. For example, you ordered a L size hoodie and now you want to change it to XL. So these wise you have to mention all the details. Like if you want to update the t-shirt details, you need to mention t-shirt order or white square hoodie order. Okay, you have to mention all the things depending on the update you want, like whether you want only t-shirt size, just mention the t-shirt size directly, and you have to mail with the same email address in which you have received the price email. Okay, so you have to mention all these address detail. I hope you understood how to fill the address. Is very easy. Okay, you have to fill the address, very easy it is. Now let's come to the size chart and the second query. First of all, let me address this query that you have placed the order of novice tire and trooper tire and their t-shirt was out of stock. Now how the order will be added? As per the update, t-shirt will be added, but what you need to do, you need to mail to the support team. Okay, that my t-shirt size is S, L, M, whatever your t-shirt size is there, and I placed the order already. Okay, I placed the order already. You have to mail to the print road support team. They'll just add the t-shirt with that t-shirt size. Okay, I hope it clears your doubt. You have to mail the t-shirt size to them and they'll be adding it. And if you want to update any address detail, you can mail them. Now coming to the next query, that is how the t-shirt size look. You can see this is our hoodie size. Okay, this is our hoodie size. If you are ordering hoodie, that is from white squaring. As per my personal expectation and realization, I have seen that if I am wearing generally XL size, then in case of white squaring, I used to order one size less. Okay, similarly if you are having M, just order S size. You can just check your chest and length size. Also they have mentioned that size may vary in length in inches, 0.5 inches plus or minus it will be there. So as per my experience, I may be correct or may be incorrect. For me it works. When if I wear XL, I use L size. Okay, coming to the next size chart for the t-shirt. So for the t-shirt, generally I prefer the same size. For example, if I am wearing XL, I will order XL. Here the sizes are little bit issue. In white squaring, we generally get larger size as per my experience. But in printers, we get exact size. So you can just plan your, you can see the chest and length size. You can visit our tailor shop and just tally with this. See, all the goodies are being shipped from India only. It won't be shipped from any other country. Okay. So it local made and the tailors will be from India only, will be just stitching the Google logo over there. So I hope it clears your basic doubt regarding this. Now coming to the email, which email you have to mail? So if your order is from novice or trooper, you have to mail to this email. You can take the snapshot or screenshot. And if your order is from ranger to legend tire, you need to mail to the support.whitesquarein. Okay, this email you have to mail. And if you haven't received the email yet, just mail to support@of Qwiklabs.com. Okay, you have to mail to them and just tell them that I haven't received the prize email. Okay, please fix it. And one more important thing, this prize is for participants of Arcade Cohort 2022, sorry, 2022, not 2025 participants who recently participated in an event just now closed. Okay, if you are from 2026, you'll be getting the prize in June. So stay tuned and just complete it. For detailed guide, you can clearly see I have posted a video how to just claim your swags. If you want to know all-in-one guide in Hindi directly, you can watch this detailed video. And if you want English guide, you can just see over here. Now here, how to claim the swag step by step. Okay, for Ranger to Legend, I have covered this. And for Novice to Trooper Tire, I have covered all the things. All the queries, I hope is present over here. You can check it out. And if you want to participate in the upcoming cohort of the cohort 1 2026, that is the Google Arcade cohort 1, you can see I have made a complete detailed guide playlist. You can just watch it. Here you can see, okay, I have shared the credits also. Most of you guys were asking. Similarly, here you can see all your queries are there, how to register, how to share the credits, what is Arcade and Arcade Facilitator program. I hope it clears your doubt. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. In simple words, to update the t-shirt size, and in case you already placed the order, just mail them your t-shirt size, it will be added. So thank you, goodbye.